Well, if you're a Linux customer, I want you to feel proud that you have made the best choice of choosing Azure. I'm Abby Iyer. I'm a senior support planner with Azure CSS. I focus on enabling integrated support models and end-to-end customer support experience for strategic partnerships that land on the Azure platform.
Hi, I'm wondering, how many of you run different services in the open source environment, and when you're on the Azure workload, you're coming to us for support, but you're not really sure that we're the right people to handle your support needs. So I really just want you to keep that in mind as we go through this presentation, kind of answer some of those questions. And by the way, my name's Ron Dominguez. I am the support delivery manager for Azure CSS. And Abby and I work really close with all of our partners, ensuring that our support infrastructure works with their support infrastructure to provide a seamless experience for all of our customers.
Thank you, Ron. Linux is indeed a first-class citizen on Azure. Here's why. More than 50% of workloads are running Linux. And Microsoft is the largest contributor on GitHub. There are several dev teams at Microsoft who develop and deploy only on Linux today. And of course, Microsoft has a huge presence in some of the OSS events across the globe: Red Hat Summit, SUSECon, LinuxCon, QCon, just to name a few. If you were there, you wouldn't have missed us. Depending on what Linux or OSS offerings that you're using, you could benefit from one of the support models that we have built together. The first is the redirect model. So let's say you're using an offering from Marketplace, and you called Microsoft for support. Of course, you need a technical support entitlement to file a technical support ticket. We will make sure Azure platform and services are running healthy. We will provide our diagnosis report back to you, so you can go to the right vendor, make sure you establish the right support entitlements to get your issue resolved further. Now, one might argue that's not a great customer experience. So we push this one level up, and we provide what we call commercially viable support, where we picked few endorsed Linux distributions, where we run that extra mile for you. In addition to making sure the platform and services are running healthy, we know a lot of common scenarios that you could potentially run into, and our teams will help support and troubleshoot those scenarios. We provide the diagnosis back to you, so you can go contact the vendor for further help. Of course, you do have the choice to initiate a joint troubleshooting session with Microsoft and the vendor as needed. And we made this even better with some of our strategic partnerships like Red Hat and the SUSE, where we provide world-class, industry-leading support experience with integrated support model. Here, Microsoft and our partners are committed, working hand in hand to get your issue resolved, and you get a seamless experience regardless whether you call Microsoft or our partner. We will make sure we'll work together to get your problem taken care of. We also offer a collaborative support model where you get all the benefits of integrated support, but it's largely manual, and we are working closely with those partners to get that completely automated so you get that seamless experience. Last but not least, we have the in-house support model where we picked a few technologies where we have built in-house support capabilities so you get your issue taken care of completely within Microsoft. With that, I'm going to deep dive into the Red Hat partnership where we have integrated support. Now, you could be a customer who's running SQL on RHEL, or .NET on RHEL, or SAP HANA on RHEL. Or you could be a customer who has subscriptions already. So let's say you're a Cloud Access customer, and you want to move your RHEL workloads from on-premise to Azure. Or you might be one of those customers who could spin on-demand images from Marketplace that come with prepackaged software and support. It doesn't matter which offering you use, you're eligible for entitled support. I'm going to deep dive into integrated support package here. Excuse me. And the backbone of it is the ticket exchange platform. And let's say you're doing massive deployment. And you have tighter deadlines, of course, that you want to meet. And your execs are paying close attention to the progress that you're making. And you're running into a problem. Now, you don't have to worry whether you call Microsoft or whether you call Red Hat. You don't have to worry whether the problem is with Red Hat or with Microsoft. You just pick one of us, file the ticket, and we will get the issue taken care of. Now, let's say you picked Microsoft, and we made sure the platform and services are running healthy after you filed a ticket with us. As soon as we identify that Red Hat needs to be engaged, as a next step, Microsoft will file a ticket with Red Hat on behalf of you. So we initiate this ticket exchange process with Red Hat. We file a ticket with them, and Red Hat will receive the ticket, and we begin the joint troubleshooting process. Of course, there is entitlement requirements, which means you must have valid support entitlement with both Microsoft and Red Hat. We are going to collect some information from you. So let's say you're a bring your own customer, which means you already have an account ID with Red Hat. Or you could be an on-demand customer who could spin one of those on-demand images. We have built single sign-on experience for those on-demand customers, which means you log into Azure portal and you use your Azure credentials and you connect it with your Red Hat account. The first time you log in, you need to create your account. The account is established, and from that point onwards, you can log into Red Hat portal and access customer documentation. Now, that is also an entitlement into Red Hat for those on-demand customers. So we pass those entitlement information over to Red Hat, and we begin the joint troubleshooting process. We share notes, we share logs, we can get on to joint phone calls, emails, doesn't matter, whatever you need, we will do it to make sure we get the issue resolved. Now, to make this even better, we have Red Hat engineers who are sitting on site at Microsoft, co-located with our Azure support team. And they not only work on support tickets, they help cross-train our teams. So they provide brown bag trainings, and they are closely embedded with engineering teams working on bugs, features, and product roadmaps. So we have a very tighter integration with them. And of course, this cross-training helps both teams get familiar with Azure as well as Red Hat products. And of course, we do have RUI support, and governance model is the backbone of everything that we do. With a strong governance model, we measure each other for common goals and KPIs. So we meet regularly, we review all the open tickets, we measure our KPIs together, including time to resolution and customer satisfaction. And we also plan for upcoming feature releases as well. And this governance framework has made this partnership stronger and stronger and richer. And of course, you might see Red Hat engineers helping your questions in Microsoft forums as well. Now, I talked about the tools, the process. The most important thing is the people. And both companies invest on people as well. For example, Microsoft support teams did a site visit to Red Hat, where we got to know that Azure support teams, the teams got familiar with each other. We shared our best practices in terms of case handling and tools so that when you call, we are working hand in hand to provide that world-class support experience for your Red Hat workloads on Azure. With that, I'm going to let Ron talk to you about another great partnership that we have, which is SUSE.
Thank you, Abby. You know, one of the other things that Abby and I have done recently is we actually go to the Red Hat summits and to SUSECon, and we do talks there to really show the open source community that Microsoft is serious about having a relationship with the open source world. Recently, we were able to do some talks at SUSECon and really engage with the audience. And afterwards, I was impressed because a lot of the attendees came up to us and they said they were so surprised hearing that we have built the support models to where we're actually embedded with open source companies and having their personnel on Microsoft campus working with our support engineers. They've also asked us, you know, if we could go and present to show their markets that we're actually, you know, embracing having everybody in Azure to do all of their workloads. So it's really been an eye-opener for us. And then we recently, as well, were at Red Hat Summit, and we had the opportunity to where this Azure support leadership, including myself, was sitting with the Red Hat support leadership, and we were in a birds of a feather, and we had a lot of their customers sitting there, and it was an open forum. They were just asking us all their questions, telling us their pain points, and it was just so nice that both of our teams were there talking to their customers, really letting them know what we plan to do to improve the overall experience of open source in the Azure workspace. So speaking of that, we actually have just as large of a portfolio with SUSE inside of Azure. Some of the things that I'm really passionate about is our SAP workloads, which over the years have really had SUSE engineering with Microsoft engineering building a world-class kernel for the SAP environment. We work really closely with them, and we've embedded our support teams with their support teams, so when any issues arise on these high availability workloads, we address their issues like immediately. So it's really a good experience that we're able to get both development teams writing code together to create a image for our SLES environment. Some of the other really good items that we have is their SQL on SLES, and then of course Azure Stack. You're able to run your SUSE environment not only in the cloud, but through Azure Stack, you can have your on-premise as well, and the two work seamlessly together. Then finally, on the middle tier is actually, you can run either the on-demand images right from the marketplace, click on it, licensing's included, support's included, any issue come up, Microsoft 100% takes care of it with no experience or issues with the customer going back and forth to SUSE. The other one is actually your bring your own subscription. So you want to have your same experience with your VM or your on-premise machines as a VM in our Azure space. Make your image, upload it, deploy it on several machines. You now have the same workload doing higher capacity in Azure. And again, because of our support, if anything happens, we will work with SUSE on the back end, so your experience is just a single interface with either Microsoft or with SUSE. Some of the key points that I really want to point out, we've been in partnership with SUSE for decades already. And as such, SUSE was the first Linux distribution that created an Azure-tuned kernel. So we're really excited about that. That's why I placed it as #1. It just shows how enriched our partnership has been with SUSE it's been over 20 years now, so we're just so excited to have them with us. You can also run your SUSE HPC image, and you can enable InfiniBand interface with it. And of course, your SQL machines on SUSE. One of the things, I do a lot of workload testing for our customers and build test environments. Years ago, when I was with Skype for Business, we would build dedicated services, and the manual process of getting the SQL machine built, configured, the pointers put in place, testing, ensuring that the communication, reporting, all worked well, worked with the back end, testing again on any little failure. It would take hours, sometimes overnight. Now, literally, you click a button, 5 minutes later, the VM is up and running. Within 30 minutes, you'll have your configuration in place, tested on the back end, and it's ready to go. So I just love this implementation. If we ran this in Skype for Business years ago, I would have loved it, tell you the truth. And then high availability with Pacemaker. They made so many fine adjustments with Pacemaker that it is really able to fine tune the high performance when you have your high availability sets, SUSE in the Azure Workspace. And then of course, our collaborative support. That has been the strong differentiator between us and some of our other cloud partners, that we are working closely with SUSE on the support level, not only with engineering, but as the customers come to us, we can go directly to a SUSE engineer and say, you know what, we haven't seen this before, do you know anything about it? And they're able to go to their dev and get back with us within minutes. So that makes it just an amazing feat for us. And speaking of collaborative support, really the key thing that we have is it's made a seamless effort for supporting our customers. They can come to us. Again, it's very important that if you're going to be running a high workload like SAP, that you do have your enterprise agreements with both companies. That's a very important step, so that as we do go back and forth, you already have the your enterprise agreement with SUSE and with Microsoft, so that you get that same experience. If one was missing, then it would cause a bottleneck where we would go back to the customer and say, yes, we can help you here and we'll get you this far, but we really need you to do X, Y, Z. And it's educational for the customer, but we do get those sometimes, but we work through them. And again, because of our partnership, SUSE will still take care of the customer until that agreement is in place, as if they have it. So that's another benefit of our collaborative support. And just as we said with Red Hat, we have a SUSE engineer in Redmond, in our support area with our teams, working with them daily. They do brown bags, they ensure that we go through triage, they take on high profile cases that are bottlenecked and really help it to continue to move to mitigation. They also help us with our knowledge articles. They go and help us weave through them to make sure any old technologies that aren't up to date really get updated, so that we're providing the latest support for all of the SUSE customers. And then again, with our governance model, we meet with them regularly. I literally speak to the support leadership every week, talking about what issues are bubbling up, how do we take care of immediately for the customer, and then where do we go from that. We also meet monthly and talk about how are we doing with the customers, share our KPIs with them, talk about customer success stories, and areas where we really need to improve and set our path, which leads into our long-term vision. Microsoft has a journey that we're on, but we've brought the open source world with us, and we brought SUSE along with us, trying to get them into the automated support level so that the experience is a lot better for all of our customers. So finally, where do we go from here? Now that we've told you about our support and our integration with open source companies, it's time for you to go back, talk to your support leaders, talk to your support teams, see where their pain points are, see if having the workloads in Azure and having a seamless experience for the customer would help your companies a lot better. And then what do you want from your cloud support plan? As I was talking a little bit about the enterprise agreements, look at the support. Maybe you've come to Azure and you only have a dev subscription, and that's worked really well for you, and you've put a couple things into production and really haven't needed to have a lot of support. But now you're starting to grow your environment, you're starting to grow your workloads, and a lot more needs to go into production. evaluate your environment. How important is support for you? Are you able to support it all yourself? Kudos to you if you are. But if you do need to come to Microsoft, think about the plan you have. Do you want to grow it? Do you want to go to enterprise level? We have several options. So who can help you with those options? Speak to your Microsoft sales representatives. If you're already at an enterprise level, speak to your TAMs, extremely knowledgeable, and they can tell you about all the programs that we have available, Azure Rapid Response, several other high-profile support models that are out there. And of course, we don't have a Q&A, but we are right in the back. If you have questions and would like to get some answers today or throughout the week, come see Abby and myself, and we'd love to talk to you guys. All right?
We appreciate your feedback too.
Exactly. Thank you very much.
Thank you.